back here on Bryan's 55 Ford. Pulling out the drive shaft right now. I already took the speedo cable out again. Last time we were working on this, it was up at his place, and of course the speedo gear was broken off in the tail housing, so I get to have fun of pulling the tail housing. Joy. His first order of business was undoing the drive shaft, and there we go. So that's gonna come out. Then I can get the little cross member up there by the trans out and pull the tail housing. Fun! Right, back on Bryan's 55. We've got our cross member and all that out. Took all that out. Yesterday we wrapped that up. Got all our bolts out for the tail housing. I just gotta pull that guy out. He's just sitting there. We're making a mess. So I'm gonna pull this off, and then we get to get that broken gear out of there and see how chewed up the other gear is. That was a lot of work just to get this busted son of a bitch out. It's not even really busted, it just stripped out internally. So we have a new cable too. So we're gonna put our tail shaft housing back, get everything else buttoned up down here, and run our new speedo cable with gear, pull our old one. Fun, 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 till Daddy took the T-Bird away, y'all. And there is our new speedo gear. We're gonna slide this baby in, like so. And I gotta put my bolt in. Oh, it's hard to shoot down here. Put a little fluid in from removing all that, and then we are done. All right, so test drive on the 55. Look, a speedo that does speedo things. Doesn't make weird noises. I love it. Wow. Somebody's happy. Little Irma gets to go home.